Hello.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm very good. Thank you very much. It's been a while since I've seen you.
Oh yeah, and I'm so sorry for taking so long to
Oh, it's
call you.
fine. No
hmm
problem. No problem.
Thank you so much. Yeah, because I told you, like the day that I called you, I was really into like my course. I was recording my course and preparing for my course and finishing it. And thank God I finished it and I released it like a month ago.
Oh, perfect. Okay. And how did it go with creating the course?
It went very good, I guess. After like I saw my course in front of me, and wow, look at me, look at
You can
what
do
I've
you did
did,
it.
what I've done. Yeah.
That's excellent. Excellent.
Mhm.
Okay. Well, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
When I spoke to you before, you said you're also making YouTube videos.
Yeah, I make like YouTube videos. I started recently. I started, making YouTube videos and like short videos for what they call it, like reels for
Mm.
Facebook, Instagram, and I started speaking my native language. Because all of my videos were only in English, and I use Arabic subtitle, but I didn't get that engagement. Then I said, man, you need to like you need to change something here. So I started, speaking in English. I'm sorry, in Arabic, in Iraqi dialect, especially, because it's really close to my audience, because most of my audience are Iraqi and people from Middle Eastern countries. So yeah, I think I did the progress in that way.
Oh, perfect. Well, congratulations on that as well. I think that's wonderful.
Thank you so much. How about you? Tell me, how has your year been so far?
Oh, it's been such an interesting year for me. I think my whole life changed in this year. Um, my marriage
Wow,
ended
I'm
and many
excited.
new opportunities opened up. So I think life is
Oh
changing
my,
for me.
your,
And yeah,
mm-hmm. You said like my marriage?
ended.
Ah, okay, okay. I feel sorry for that, but if you like feel better, I will be with you with that decision.
I was sad my husband left me, and I was sad that he left me, but now I feel like he was holding me back. He had
I
very
see.
low vibrations and low frequency, and now
hmm
I don't have that holding me back anymore. So I think next year I'm going to fly.
So now you are released.
I'm
You
free.
are
I'm
not
free.
engaged anymore.
Yes, I'm absolutely free to pursue myself and my own passions, my own
hmm
careers, my own everything. I feel completely free.
You know what? Let me lower my voice. Okay. Everybody wants to be free and get out from that golden cage.
Golden cage. I like how it's still a cage. Even the golden cage is still a cage.
Yeah, it's still a cage, right? But yeah, I believe that God has plans for us and for our future. So why not go for it,
Yeah,
yo?
everything happens the way it should happen. So I'm very
hmm
happy. And many new doors have opened for me since he left
hmm
me. Well, one
hmm
door closes
Wow.
and then other doors open. So
Ah,
now I'm
I
on a
see.
different path, and it's good. It feels good.
So what do you call this in English? Because we have a saying here, like you bring a bad luck for me, man, or like you bring really bad luck for me. Like when you say to the husband or to the wife. Do you have a saying
N-
for this?
No, we don't really have a saying like that. It's
Mm-hmm.
I always told my husband he was my rock. Like he was a very big, solid support in my life. But now I realize he became an anchor.
Okay.
And
So
now I'm
so
free.
you're so okay. I don't know how to ask this, but let me try. Um, how long did your marriage last?
Almost 10 years.
10 years. Uh-huh. Oh, thank God. I crossed 15 years. Okay.
Oh, congratulations.
So maybe I passed the exam.
Yes, I believe at 10-year point, that's the exam.
Mm.
So we ended before next year in March will be 10 years. And
Ah,
we didn't pass the exam, but it's okay because I'm on to bigger and better in the future.
I see. Yeah. So tell me, what are your like next step, like your future plans?
Shortly after my husband left me,
Mm-hmm.
I got a calling into service,
Mm-hmm.
and I started renting a space with a friend of mine, a healing space.
Okay.
So this following year, I will work on that. I want to help people to overcome their self-limiting beliefs and help them develop themselves to grow and to pursue their passions. And yeah, I think I will
Mm-hmm.
become, I will be in servitude of humanity in some way.
I see. So, you're going to coaching those people, right?
Yes, already 2 years ago, I did a life coaching certification and
Uh-huh.
hypnosis and
Mm-hmm.
meditation facilitation. And
Mm-hmm.
I'm a masseuse. My qualifications are in massage, and I did an
Mm-hmm.
energy healing certification as well. So
Energy healing. Okay. Energy
I
healing.
want to
Wow.
help
I like that. I like
I
that.
want to
Energy
help
healing.
people to heal their energies and to heal themselves and their inner child so that they can pursue their passions.
Mm-hmm. Oh my goodness. I like it. Energy healing. So I like it. Okay. I'm your patient. Please help me. I'm your client. Name me whatever you want.
Which areas of your life do you feel stuck in?
Like I'm getting old, I guess, and I'm losing the energy,
Oh no.
and I'm losing the passion, for life.
I think if you're losing your passion for life, you just have to change your direction.
Uh-huh. Okay. I think I changed my career, I'm about, to take that curve. Like I'm working with technology, but and working with teaching, but nowadays it's more about teaching and it's a little about technology. So,
Uh,
do you think this is a changing of direction? What do
yes,
you think?
absolutely. That's a huge change of direction.
Oh, wow.
So
Okay.
you're already changing your direction. Once you change your direction, you will find new passion again. I'm sure you already have. You have
Thank you so much.
motivation for the
Yeah.
teaching.
Yeah, yeah. Like I said, I'm teaching high school students twice a week. Yeah, and
Mhm.
I really like it, and I think I'm learning. Actually, I'm learning from my mistakes every day.
Oh,
So
it's
yeah,
good.
it's a new bat. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's good as long as you feel like you're progressing and
Mm-hmm.
making mistakes is so valuable.
Yeah.
Facing difficulty and facing obstacles is so valuable because you learn
Mhm.
most from those experiences. So
I
embrace the difficulties that you come across.
Wow. Yeah, you're right. But oh my goodness, like why always we have to embrace the difficulties? What? I need something easy.
No, nothing happens out of ease. You know,
Yeah.
seeds
Hmm.
don't grow in the light, they grow in the darkness.
See, yeah, but it's like people asking these questions, right?
Yeah, I mean, people can choose to have an easy life and to escape everything by watching too
Yeah.
much TV or by drinking or by doing whatever they do to escape the
Yeah.
reality.
Exactly.
But
Yeah.
I think it's much more fulfilling to feel yourself grow and develop. And that happens when you're facing the darkness.
Look
And
at you. You are coaching me now. Thank you.
I believe that
And
there's, yeah.
tutoring me.
Yes, yes, that's why I took the life coaching course in the first place, because I
Yeah.
realized many of my students here on Cambly come and then use me like a psychologist. But
Wow,
I
that's
didn't have the
amazing.
skills. I didn't have the skills to help people in any way. So I
Hmm.
decided to take that coaching qualification just so that I can show up better for the students that I teach here.
That counts like a point for you. Good job.
Yeah, thank you. Here you can learn English and life.
See, yeah, yeah.
It's good.
Well, I thought like I booked only 30 minutes, but turn out it's like 50 minutes. Oh my
Yes, we
goodness.
only have short time.
I want to do this video for YouTube. If you can help me, like this challenge to ask me, like I have this sentence. I have I study English, but you ask me about the tenses, and I give you, like for example, present tense. I say I study English, and that's like just I want to motivate my high school students.
Okay. So you
Hmm.
study English in present continuous?
I in present continuous.
Yes.
I am studying English.
Yes, you are. And what about in the past?
I studied English.
Yes, you did. It's good. I like that. I like that you want to give different scenarios of the same sentences for your students. I think that's wonderful.
Yeah, yeah, because will stick in their minds.
Yes, absolutely. Okay,
Hmm.
so what other sentences can you, I don't know, what have you been doing last year?
Mm. I have been studying English.
Yes, you have been. And what do you
Hmm.
plan on doing next year?
I will be studying English
Yes, you
as
will
well.
be. Yes, you will. Perfect. I hope it's an ever continuous process.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank
I
you
like
very much,
it.
Ahmed.
You made it great with these
Oh, perfect.
questions.
Well, it was a pleasure, and I hope we can speak more in the future as well.
Absolutely.